everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today we'll be solving the HackerRank problem, that is simple array sum. The main description of the problem is you will be provided an array with n number of elements and you have to get the sum of all those elements. Let us have a look at the problem description. Given an array of elements or integers, find the sum of its elements. For example, if array is consisting of elements 1, 2 and 3, we will get the sum of 1, 2 and 3, that will be 6, and we return the value 6. Here the function description: complete the simple array sum function. In the editor below, it must return the sum of array elements as an integer. Okay, we have to return an integer. Simple array sum has the following parameters: array of integers. The input format in the first line will take the n, which will be the number of elements in an array or size of the array, and the second line will have n space separated integers representing the array's elements. Okay, number of elements will be less than or equal to 1000, so integer is enough, and we have to print the sum of array elements as single integer. Okay, the sum should be a single integer. Doesn't mean it should be a single digit. Single integer is a single number without any spaces. Okay, let's have a look at this sample input. The array has 6 elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, total 6 elements, and the sum of all these elements is 31. Okay, we'll solve the code. Let's have a look at the code. We'll create a scanner object. We'll take the input n, which will be the number of elements, and we'll initialize an array with n number of elements. Now we'll take the array input from the user. Now we'll initialize a variable with name sum, which stores the sum of array elements. We'll initialize it with 0, and now we'll iterate through each and every element of the array, and we'll add it to the variable sum. Sum is equals to sum plus array of I. Okay, in this step the sum is initialized with 0, and here we'll be adding that 0 with array's next element, and if the element is 1, sum becomes 1, and if the next element is 2, sum becomes 1 plus 2, it will be 3. Okay, and simultaneously the value will be added to the sum variable, and finally after the whole array is traversed, we will return the sum value. We will print the sum. Okay, let's have a look at the program once again. Here in this step, we are taking the user input for n, number of elements, and here we are initializing an array, and here we are taking the array user input. Array elements, and here we are initializing a sum variable which stores the sum of all the array elements, and in the next step we are calculating the sum by traversing the whole array, and finally we are printing the sum value. Hope you got the concept, and let's try it for the program. Let us take the number of elements are 5, and there may be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, let us guess the output. It will be 21. Let us see. Yeah, we got the output 21. So this will be the whole program. If you have any doubts or if you need any other solutions, please drop down a comment. Hope you have liked the video. Have a nice day. Thank you.